Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD NZD bulls taking charge into the RBNZ risked. ntvforex.com news ID DEF 6312 minutes ago by Ross J. Berland. AUD NZD bulls lining up for the RBNZ today and potential for higher highs. NBSP RBNZ expectations should be an anchor on the bird, especially as of the fresh lockdown in Auckland. AUD NZD ground higher from 1.0840 to 1.0874 overnight, which was the highest since October 2018, but then eased back to 1.0845. NBSP, however, it is to be expected into the meeting today where the Reserve Bank of New Zealand is expected to come across NBSP Uber dovish. There is a biasing to NBSP. The NBSP cross higher when considering the divergence between the two central banks, despite the fact that the RBA has been doing more QE. NBSP Auckland goes on lockdown. Moreover, NBSP New Zealand has put its largest city back into lockdown after recording 4 new COVID-19 cases, ending a 102-day streak without a local infection. The BBC NBSP reports that a NBSP 3-day lockdown was swiftly imposed in Auckland after the cases were confirmed. The 4 new cases are all members of a single family. None had travelled recently. The restrictions will come into effect on Wednesday, as authorities scramble to trace contacts of the family. Auckland residents will be asked to stay at home, large gatherings will be banned, non-essential businesses will be shut, and some social distancing restrictions will be reintroduced in the rest of the country. New Zealand has fared better than other countries, recording 1,220 confirmed cases and 22 deaths since the virus arrived in late February. Meanwhile, it is far too soon to say what the exact implications are, but the return of COVID-19 presents downside risk to the outlook, adding to our expectations for cautious and very dovish tones at the RBNZ MPS today, analysts at ANZ Bank argue. We expect the LSAP will be increased to NZD 90BN over 18 months because it is a good strategic decision, but that a smaller expansion of NZD 75BN over 12 months is possible. The return of community transmission on our shores moves the risks dial even more in favour of our view that the RBNZ will look to do more rather than less, signalling they will do whatever is necessary to support the economy. Attention will also be on what the RBNZ says about other tools. We think they will keep their options open on all fronts, adding to dovishness. AUD NZD levels. NBSP overview today. Last price 1.088 today. Daily change 0.0033 today. Daily change percent 0.30 today. Daily open 1.0847. NBSP trends. Daily SMA 20 1.0742. Daily SMA 50 1.0703. Daily SMA 100 1.0632. Daily SMA 200 1.0537. NBSP levels. Previous daily high 1.0876, previous daily low 1.0823, previous weekly high 1.0866, previous weekly low 1.0716, previous monthly high 1.0802, previous monthly low 1.0559, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.0856, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.0843, daily pivot point S1 1.0821, daily pivot point S2 1.0796, daily pivot point S3 1.0768, daily pivot point R1 1.0874, daily pivot point R2 1.0902, daily pivot point R3 1.0928. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.